Hey guys, I'm Kelly with the suburbansoapbox.com, and today we are making roasted shrimp cocktail with an easy cocktail sauce that you can whip up in just a matter of minutes. This is the appetizer that you're going to want to serve at every party. It's quick, it's simple, and it's so addicting. To begin, we're going to start with 2 pounds of shrimp, and you can buy your shrimp already peeled and deveined, but if your grocery store seafood department does not carry peeled and deveined shrimp, it's really easy to do it yourself. And all you have to do to peel and devein your shrimp is take your shrimp, and if it's not already done, this one's already deveined, but what you would find inside the shrimp is a little black vein, and you want to take that out and clean it out. And then the shell, you just easily remove that way. If your shrimp is not already deveined, where I showed you on the top here, all you would do is take your knife and slice it carefully through there to kind of butterfly it that way, and then the shell is going to come off very easily also. And then sometimes I like to check underneath because there's another vein that runs underneath, and you kind of want to clean that out too. And it's really easy to do. We're not going to talk about exactly what that is. We'll try to forget about what that actually is. It's vein. So peeled and deveined shrimp. Very simple. Now we're going to mince some garlic, and I just crush it with the side of a knife and peel it off. And then finally mince. And then you're going to transfer your garlic to the bowl. Now we're going to add the rest of the ingredients to the bowl. And we're going to add a little bit of crushed red pepper. If you don't like things spicy, you can certainly leave that out. A little bit of black pepper. Some salt. A little bit of olive oil. We're going to give that a quick little stir, and then to that we're going to add our shrimp. Cleaned, peeled, deveined, all ready to go. Toss everything in the garlic and olive oil mixture to combine. For easy cleanup, I like to line my baking sheet with a little bit of aluminum foil. I like to use heavy duty foil so there's no leaks or anything. It just makes it so much easier to clean up after you've roasted your shrimp. So just a single layer in the bottom of the baking sheet. It also helps prevent some of the shrimp from sticking to the pan if they don't have a lot of olive oil on them. And then you're just going to simply spread your shrimp out onto the foil lined baking sheet. Be sure to spread your shrimp out on the baking sheet in a single layer so that they do cook evenly. And once you've got that all done, you can transfer it to the oven. Now that we have our shrimp in the oven to roast, we're going to start working on the cocktail sauce. And this is a really easy recipe that you can use for basically anything. If you have like a fish sandwich that you love, or you're just having like crab cocktail, this is fabulous for that as well. So we're going to start with some lemon juice. Make sure we don't get any seeds in there. And to that, we're going to add horseradish, a little bit of Tabasco, some Worcestershire sauce, and then ketchup. A little bit of salt and pepper if needed. And you can definitely change up the flavors any way you want. If you want to skip the Tabasco sauce, you don't need to add that at all. If you don't really like things too spicy, you can cut back a little bit on the horseradish sauce. It's really up to you. So make sure you taste it and then add, subtract, whatever you want to do to make it your own. Now that our shrimp is done cooking, we're going to let it cool a little bit about to room temperature. You can serve it chilled, you can serve it at room temperature, and you can serve it hot. But if you're making this for a party, this is fabulous to serve at room temperature. One thing to note, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. So your shrimp should be cooked to form the letter C and not the letter O. Some of my shrimp may have cooked a little faster than the other pieces because they're smaller. That's quite all right, but we're striving for a C shape for your shrimp to be done, and that would be the perfect texture. So now that our shrimp has cooled to room temperature, we're going to go ahead and plate this. And you can put it simply on a platter with a bowl of your cocktail sauce, or what I like to do is I have some mini glasses that we're going to plate it that way. And that's it. See how easy it is to up your shrimp cocktail game this holiday season? Super simple, super quick. So totally tasty. For more recipes and tips, visit thesuburbansoapbox.com. And if you like this video, be sure to share it.